People always ask me, hey hater, how do you change the oil? And Infiniti, the easy way. And I'm like, yo, check it out. I remove a couple bolts from my hair, so I won't remove the whole oil pan. Put it to the side. I bend it over a little bit, just a bit, enough to get the filter and the drain bolt. It's a 14 millimeter. Get one of these right here. If you don't have one, get yourself in a universal one like this. It's too hard. Get a little extension, shove it in there, and you're good, man. An Infiniti oil change the easy way. Don't hesitate to take it all off. You don't need to. Thank you.